Hi, I wanted to share something great that my family has been doing for about 12 years or so. We do a family calendar, and one of the great advantages of coming from a large family, or family of 12, is that we have 13 sets of people, including our parents, who are able to do either the calendar cover or a month, and it's just quite delightful to see what people come up with. I thought I would share with you some of the covers as well as what I have done for various months. So at the top you see there is an illustration either done by the child or or either by the sibling or one of the one of the grandkids. And then below that is a great family history of all sorts of miscellaneous. So this was last year's for 2008. This was taken at my mom's 80th birthday, and my sister Annie did the cover. She did a poem, which I think is quite nice. It's just one of the nice advantages of getting to be from a creative family. This was our month. This was November for 2008, and this was the year of Thanksgiving. And so each of those things are things for which we can be grateful for. And you see an illustration of what is below that. So I think it's a lot of fun. This is 2002, a cover. This is celebrating Dad's 75th birthday, which was great fun. This was my month, January, and I sent it via email, and it didn't quite work. Now, my sister Joanne has actually been doing these for the last several years, gathering all of the information and getting them made into calendars, which is great. My brother-in-law Bill and my sister Barb did them before that. So, and you know, sky's the limit. Well, this was my June of 2007, which was great because I took this picture of clouds in South Lake Tahoe when I was there in June of 2006. Some people don't like that. It's not quite as fun. However, this was my cover, and I always hate getting the cover because you really don't see it. You know, we get it sometime in January. So, but this is also a picture of the cover for 2005, and this was also taken in South Lake Tahoe. I like to spend some time there. 2004 was a good one because on the cover, my nephew Christian did a poem. So there you go. That's pretty cool. This was my image for May of 2004, and of course there's my mom because May is Mother's Day. And this is this year's. This is a great bit of fun, and the cover. You know, this is where all the boys go fishing, and these are the girls when they go on their trip. My month this year was December, and I did this. You can't really see all of that cool stuff. I try to do something creative for that, so it's great fun. And then we have some knitting images down there, so that's quite a bit of fun. Now next year I get to do the cover, and I'm already thinking about it. So. Does your family do anything like this? We have been doing this, like I said, for about 12 years, and it's been great. This is the calendar that I enjoy. We pay for them, and you can get several copies. I only need one. I keep it on my refrigerator. Enjoy your colorful loops of daily living, and keep track of it on a handmade calendar.